Good day, boys and girls. My name is Froggy Muffin. I'm from Amazon.com forest. I'm here to tell you about the rainforest. Boys and girls, let me tell you something. Do you know what is a rainforest? Let me explain to y'all. A rainforest is a dense forest that contains many tall trees. Rainforests receive at least 100 inches of rain each year. Do you believe that? Could you believe 100 inches of rain? Well, let me tell you some more. The two main types of rainforests are the temperate rainforest and the tropical rainforest. Temperate rainforests are found in the areas of the world that are hot, extremely hot. Yes, boys and girls, I tell you, real hot. Tropical rainforests are found near the equator where the weather is warm each year. So, now that we understand the two types of rainforests, I'm going to tell you a story about my life living in the rainforest. Here we go. The air is still and damp. The water earth smells rich and the soil under your feet. Snuggy leaves muffled your movements, so you step quietly through the forest. I tell you, when the forest air hits my nose, wow! It's dim in the forest, but it's surprisingly easy to walk around. The tallest trees grow so high, you can barely see their tops, 30 or 40 inches above your head. So you know how tall that is for a frog looking up. The branches of these trees nearly touch one another, all but blocking out the sun. So you know I hardly get sun, but I enjoy my habitat in the rainforest. Down here on the forest floor, it's shady. Only scattered plants and smaller trees can survive, and of course, my delicious meal, my flies. Soon, your eyes adjust to the low light. Everywhere you look, you see green vines, ferns, palms, like the plants in the pictures. You know what I mean, right? You know what I mean. Suddenly, you spot flashes of color. Boy, does that dangle my eyes. Sometimes I'm really angry. But that's what happens when you're living in the rainforest. Yeah, I tell you, the creatures down here, man, if you could only see how pretty they are. I get my husband down here. And beautiful blue butterfly, birds that looks like a leaf you can see down here in the rainforest. Now listen closely and you can hear the sounds of the forest. Listen. A monkey howls high in the treetops above. A mosquito buzzes around your ear. When darkness falls, you hear frogs like me, whose calls are sometimes so noisy that you can hear someone talking right next to you. Right, guys? Look down. Small leaf bits seems to be walking all around the ground. It's beautiful down here, I tell you. It's beautiful in the rainforest. You pick up a leaf and turn it over. You find the dead flies. So a rainforest has lots of living habitats. So please, as I come to the end of my story living in the rainforest, Preserve our environment. Preserve our rainforest. And you will preserve me. Thank you. Bye.